Hello, today we will learn how to solve systems by elimination. The big idea is if two expressions are equal, you can add them to another equal pair and the equation stays true. In this example, 3x plus 2y equals 12 and negative 3x plus y equals 3. We can subtract 3x minus 3x and then we cancel out the x. We add 2y and y and then that equals to 3y. Then we add 12 plus 3 and that equals 15. Why this work? Opposite coefficients cancel. If one equation has positive 3x and the other has negative 3x, I think the equation eliminates x completely, leaving one equation with one variable which you already know how to solve. Sometimes the coefficients aren't opposite yet. That's when you multiply. The elimination process. The first step is to line up the equations. So you stack the system so x terms, y terms, and constants align in columns. The second step is to make coefficients opposite. If needed, multiply one or both equations so one variable's coefficients are opposites. The third step is to add the equations. Adding cancels that variable, leaving one equation with one unknown. The fourth step is to solve then substitute back. Solve for the remaining variable, then plug it into either original equation to find the other. Example 1 is on opposite coefficients. The first step we do in the system of equations x plus y equals 10 and 2x minus y equals 5, the first step is to add the equations together. We do x plus y plus 2x minus y equals 10 plus 5. And then we cancel out the y and then we add 2x plus x and that equals 3x equals 15. Then we divide both sides by 3, so x is 5. Then we substitute back. We replace x for 5 and then we set up the equation 5 plus y is 10. That equals to y equals 5. So the solution of this system of equations is 5, 5. Example 2. Multiply first. Neither variable cancels yet. Scale both equations first. In this system of equations, 3x plus 4y equals 18 and 5x plus 6y equals 26. The first step is to pick a variable to cancel. The y coefficients are 4 and 6, so the LCM is 12. The LCM stands for the least common multiple. 2. Multiply both equations. In the first equation, we can multiply by 3. That comes to 9x plus 12y equals 54. In the second equation, we can multiply by 2. That equals 10x plus 12y equals 52. The third step is that we subtract to eliminate y. We set up the equation 10x plus 12y minus 9x plus 12y equals 52 minus 54. Then we solve and then substitute. X equals 2 and then we substitute x for -2 and then 3 to -2 plus 4y equals 18. That comes to y equals 6. The solution is negative 2 over 6, which negative 2 is the x value and 6 is the y value. Watch out for this. The most common elimination mistake students make. By multiplying only one term. Scaling an equation means every term. Both sides, they can multiply, not just the variable you have been targeting. Another mistake is that students sign errors when combining. They distribute the multiplier carefully and double check whether you should add or subtract the equations. Another one is stopping the one variable. Finding x isn't the answer, substitute back to find y. They report both as an ordered pair. And another step is keeping the check. Plug your x, y into both original equations to confirm the solution actually works. You got these three tools now: graphing, substitution, and elimination. Next, we'll do word problems with systems of equations. Subscribe for more Algebra 1 math lessons.